diamonds.
Hi friends, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I am doing a very fun set. I really like this nail set and I hope you like it too. I'm using some padding gels to make an aura effect and then some blooming gel for a croc print design. The nail tips that I'm using, they are from Novo Ovo and they already came with this C curve at the top, so I did not curve this out myself. This is how the nail tips came. I bought mine off of TikTok shop, but you know, Novo Ovo, they do have their own website and you can also purchase them on Amazon, and I have a link in the description box. It is an affiliate link if it still works. I don't know, I didn't try it out, but it might. Anyway, I just want to thank you all for stopping by, clicking on the video and watching and engaging with my content. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Hit the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And did you vote yesterday? There was a primaries for some people. If it was a primaries for your state, did you vote? I did. This is a pretty short video. It's only 10 minutes long and I don't really have much to say. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I just used that one base color. It's from Not Polished. It's called Desnuda and it is probably my favorite base color. If you want to try any of the Not Polished solo gels, definitely get that one because it is really good. I did matte out the nails after I did a full cure of the base color, and I did 2 layers of the base color, put matte top coat on, and then I use this padding gel. This one specifically is from Morta, and I did make this palette from my Morta palettes. I put everything in one palette. I do have a video of me doing that here on my channel, so check that out if you haven't seen it yet. And instead of going in with the sponge, because sometimes you pick up too much color, I just used a silicone tool, put a dot of color in the center, and used this huge sponge that came with one of the Mortar palettes. It came like that, and I used that to blend out the color. I did do 2 layers of color on all of the nails, but I only showed one. So I put the 1 layer down, I fully cured the nail in the big lamp, and then I did a second layer right on top. So now I'm going to take some blooming gel. This one is from D&D. I'm using this one specifically because it blooms really slowly. I didn't want the dots that I'm putting on for the croc print to bloom fast and become like a mess. So I use this one because I find that this blooming gel, it just moves a little bit slower, and you don't need a thick layer of blooming gel, just a thin layer and your product should bloom. I did take inspo for this set from something that I saw online. They used a different color and the way they did their 3D lines was different from mine, and I also did water droplets, so I just took kind of a little bit of inspiration. So it's not a one-to-one recreation. It wasn't from like an original nail tech, it was just like a photo, so I don't know who like the original was, but yeah, I used that for inspiration to make this set. For the blooming gel, I just put the dots on around the nail, just in whatever design I wanted to. Each nail I did a little bit different, and I put some dots down. I let it bloom a little bit, so I just let it sit, and then I flash cured it into place. Then I stuck the nail in the big lamp to give it a full cure.
High volume, high volume.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience, and now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they painted. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just lay on top, but it bothers me. Cause it is to me. And so what? I fell in love a couple
Now I'm just going to use this matte top coat from Not Polish, and I'm just going to put a matte top coat, a thin layer, on all of the nails to prep the nail for the 3D lines. I want the base to be matte because the 3D lines, I feel like they just pop out more when they're on top of matte. I don't know, that's just my opinion. So I did do this matte top coat on all of the nails. Then I went in with some 3D lines, and I used the Tricolor Fish Functional Gel. If you're on TikTok, then you've probably seen this product all over TikTok. That's where I got mine. Well, they sent it to me, but they sent it to me through TikTok. So yeah, so that's what I use for the 3D lines. It is non-wipe. You can use whatever non-wipe 3D line or functional gel, whatever that you want to use. Just make sure it's non-wipe because you don't want to have to top coat it. Okay, if you have the Gem B Crazy Top Coat, which I do have that, but I'm running a little low, so I'm trying not to use it as much. I need to wait for like another sale so I can buy another one. I should have bought another one during the Sweetie Nail Supply anniversary sale, but I didn't. I did get something from, but I just didn't haul it because I only got one collection. I should have bought some more of the Crazy Top Coat, but I guess I'll wait for Zillaboo to possibly do a sale. But anyway, so the 3D lines are very, very easy to do, and I also did some water droplets, but I don't think I showed me doing the water droplets. I don't think I did because the video is coming to an end and it's almost done, and I'm about to show you the end shots of the nails. This is the final look. The only thing that I didn't do that I should have did was I should have took my e-file and kind of made that curve at the top, that little C curve or whatever it's called. I should have took the e-file and made it more crispy because after painting and everything, it just looks like it's a little bit thick. So I should have took an e-file and did that. But these are just content nails, so it's okay, I guess. But let me know what you think of this nail set. I really, really love this set. I think it would look really good in green. The original set that I saw was in pink, I believe. But I think green would go really well with this. So let me know what you think, your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. I will try to link the nail tips, and if I can link that 3D gel, then I will. But I don't know if you can get that off Amazon or if they have their own website. I'm not sure. But if I can find it, like a link, then I will link it below. But I can definitely link the nail tips and the blooming gel and the black polish and the matte top coat that I use. All of that will be linked in the description box below. So if you want to know where I got anything, just check out that. And before you leave, don't forget to like this video, hit the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And I love to have you here on the channel. Wherever you are, whatever time of day it is, I hope you're having a great day and have a great weekend. And I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Bye, guys.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.